Is your factory facing low profits but higher costs of manufacturing dilemma? Then you are at the right place. At MEXPERTS, we believe manufacturing excellence is not optional and must be targeted with full focus. That's why we offer comprehensive solutions customized to address the hidden factory costs in pursuit of the excellence. We've implemented manufacturing excellence tools across various industries and saved millions of dollars for our clients. From Lean Six Sigma to world-class manufacturing, industrial automation to AI integration, continuous improvement to supply chain optimization. We implement smart systems at your production floor with full focus. Meanwhile, you can focus on other core operations. Our three-step manufacturing excellence strategy do it all for you. As pioneers of manufacturing excellence outsourcing services, MEXPERTS integrate directly into your operations. We are passionate to transform every manufacturing setup to achieve manufacturing excellence and harness its benefits. Let's become partners and excel together. Please contact us today and unlock the next success story. WhatsApp 0321-885-1480. Email info@mexperts.org.